find the line. Game begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're off in match number 46 of what will be 64 total qualifying matches. First 15 seconds of the match programmed by the human players. If they can leave their starting position, they get 3 points. If they can score on the reef, they get additional points. Scoring high like we see right now, it's 7 points. There's 94-96, that is 23-6 coming out of autonomous for the Red Alliance. 52-93, they've got that piece of coral in their position. They're in scored on the level 3 branch. That was worth 4 points. 87-36, reaching their arm up over the top of the ocean surface, dropping the algae into the net. They're harvesting that algae off the bottom floor and dropping it into the net for 4 points. 1:45 left to go in the match, and 75-38 trying to keep 94-96, the link team, from scoring, but they're able to grab that coral, drop it down, it falls into the trough. That's still worth 2 points for them. 52-93, dancing around Red Alliance side of the field as 87-36 scores another 4 points by harvesting that algae, placing it in the net. There's 17-46, they're at the barge cages right there, anchored low, anchored deep. They've got 2 of the cages anchored deep and 1 of them anchored shallow. The Blue Alliance has all of their cages anchored deep. At the end of the match, that could be the difference right there, as there can be 36 points maximum scored from the cages. All right, a lot of action taking place on the field at 75-38, still trying to play defense against the Red Alliance, trying to keep them from scoring that coral. If they can score the coral on the upper branch, that's worth 5 points. In the middle, it's worth 4. On the lower branch, it's worth 3. And if they can score it in the trough at the bottom, they get 2 points. There's 87-36, spinning around, looking for some more algae. Now they're going over to the coral station, picking up some coral. Going to try to place it. It drops off onto the surface of the ocean. As 87-36 now has that coral in position. 94-96 as well, placing it on the lower branch for 3 points. That's the sonar bell, that's the sonar beacon. It's telling the robots where they're at, giving them a signal, telling them if they can come, go ahead and raise themselves up from the bottom of the ocean. If they can grab hold and lift themselves up of the ocean floor, they can gain 12 points on the deep anchored cages. But time runs out in match number 46. All right, our signal this year is on the screen. We'll watch, and when they open the gate, the colored fish of the Alliance will start swimming around the reef as the Red Alliance wins 87-26 in match number 46.